All right, so I got my instructions open here. I'm going to read through the directions. I'm going to learn about this thing called an event handler. Basically, we're going to plug together a bunch of event handlers to handle the events of our program. So for Digital Doodle, it's the app that lets your device take a picture and lets you color on the picture like you would with many other apps maybe you use already. All right, so I'm going to use Firefox because it seems to work better than Chrome for the program. So I'm going to get this address punched into Firefox. I'm going to sign in with Google, and I'll be at a blank welcome screen. Here it is. Okay, it says select app, create new app, and then name the project. All right, so we go app, create new app. I'm going to name this here Digital Doodle, and then I'm going to OK it. There it is. All right. What's next? Next, it says to I'm going to add 3 components to my app. I want a button so I can click on it to take a picture. The canvas is going to be where it places my picture on and allows me to draw on. So a canvas and the camera. So I need a button, the canvas, and the camera. These are my components. They're located in these designer drawers. I have a user interface is my button, drawing animation is canvas, and media would be camera. Let's go find those. So go back. All right. I'm going to need, scroll over here. Here's my user interface. Here's my buttons. I'm just going to click, drag, and drop a button on my screen. And it may drop it kind of wherever it wants to based on some of the component settings. Here's my button. Here's the properties of the button. So there it is. The button is called button number 1. Here's the properties of it. Here's some components of it. Button is there. I need a canvas and a camera. Canvas and a camera. All right. Where's the canvas? Where's the camera? Let's find those. Okay. So the button is in the user interface drawer. And here's my drawer. Here's the contents of the drawer. Why? It says here which drawer is it in? User interface. I got to find the drawer for called drawing animation. So I'm going to close this drawer. It's a little arrow. Close the drawer. Find the one called drawing animation. Open that drawer. And here's my canvas. I'm going to click, drag, and drop the canvas. And then the last one, I got to find my camera. My camera set is in the media drawer. So go to media, click, drag, and drop the camera. Okay. The camera is there. You just can't see it because the camera is one of those they call, it's a hidden display in which you don't see it, but it's there. Okay? Over here, I have 3 things. Button, my canvas, and my camera. Got those 3. All right, what's next? Okay, next it says to change the text on the button from button 1 to take a picture. So again, it's kind of like making a recipe in which we have our ingredients here. Here they are. I could take, maybe you're building some kind of a dessert. Here's the recipe. Here's the ingredient. Maybe you have to open it. Maybe you have to melt it. Maybe you have to stir it. Something to it. You got to kind of fine tune it and kind of finesse them. So the button, right now, the text on it says button number 1. I want to change that text. Okay? And right now, my text on the button, right here it is, it says button number 1. I want to say, take a picture. Hit the enter button, that should input that property, and there it is, take a picture. But why did I spelled take a picture wrong, didn't I? Let me Yes, I did. How about now? There it is. Got it. Take a picture. Next step is we're going to kind of keep working on this button. I'm going to bring the code blocks in that'll actually make the button function. So I got to bring in some event handlers, a couple of when do event handlers, and one says when that button number 1 is clicked, what's it going to do? It's going to call the camera to do its thing, take a picture. So it's when I click the button, it's going to have the camera take a picture. Then I have another little event handler. It says when the camera after picture, which means when the picture is taken, what's it going to do? It's going to set my background, the canvas. The canvas is going to be set to the image the camera takes as captured. So again, I'm going to click the button. It turns the camera on, takes a picture, and then after the picture has been taken, it's going to make my background the picture. So again, for real, when you take a selfie on a phone, same thing's happening. You click, there's your picture. Okay, this doesn't happen magically. Code blocks tell your phone to do all those tasks. So you click a button, your picture shows up. These are the code blocks you're going to be using. So you're going to find these. Where are they? They are located in these block drawers. I have a camera for the picture, a camera for, okay, a button. So you got to look in certain specific drawers. I want to get the camera coded. It's in the camera drawer. Where's the buttons code blocks in the button drawer? There's my canvas code blocks in the canvas drawer. So they're not too far hidden. Let's find those. So I want to get a couple things here. Let's go back. It says go to the blocks view. Here it is. And I gotta dig. In my button, here's my button drawer. I need a when button click. Right here. When button click. I need that one. And it says I want to, what it's going to do, call camera take picture. So to go to my camera drawer, here's my cameras drawer. I'm going to do, right here, call camera, take a picture. I plug those together. Alright, that one's done. Next says I want to grab when after a picture. What's it going to do? Background. You can see here, so the cameras drawer has an after picture. Let's go back. So the camera drawer, when camera 1 after picture, what's it going to do? It's going to set the canvas 1 background image to the image that was taken. Here's my canvas drawer. Alright, so again, this takes a little bit of thinking and we'll help you out as we go here. My canvas drawer, oops, canvas drawer. Yeah, dig a little bit. Where's my, let's scroll down. No, it's not set background color. Here it is. Canvas 1 background image. This one plugs in. And then I want to set it to the image. But the trick here says, look here, that this image, it says move mouse over the image on the camera's after picture block. So it says move mouse over. Not click on it, not drag, move mouse over. Let's try it once. Move mouse over it, let it hover. There it is. Now see here, this is a plug-in piece. I need the matching plug-in piece. Click on that, park it in there. Perfect. Those code blocks are done. Alright, what's next? Okay, so let's look back at here. We have, in my designer view, here I have this button coded, and I have the canvas coded. Because here are my blocks. Here is the, if I go to my the button, and the button is clicked, it's going to call the camera to turn on and do its thing. And after the picture has been taken, it says my picture as the background. Again, this is the first program we're writing. It is a bit confusing at times. But the more we run this program and then learn the program, it will get easier. So next step says to, oops, too far down, sorry, is to, here we go, test. Test the app. Like any good chef, when you're building your meal or your dessert, you test as you go. Don't wait to the very end to test, because it could be awful. Everything could be ruined. So test frequently. I want to go up to test and do Thunkable Live. That way it's going to give me a QR code I can scan in on my device and test the app out. Let's try that. Oops, that's fine. I'm going to go to test. I'm going to reset my connection because something's weird. Let's go back, test, Thunkable Live. Oh, reset it once, sorry. Okay, test, Thunkable Live. There it is. I turn my tablet on, and I open up my tablet's Thunkable app. I scan the QR code. My screen blipped. My device is running. You can't see it, of course, but it's there. I push my take a picture button. It turns the camera on. And I use my camera button to take a picture. And then I say yes to that. And there it is. It's working on my screen. How about yours? So try a few pictures. I'll be walking around and show me how it works. And then we'll get part 2 in a few minutes. So good luck with part 1.